Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life in school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Lincoln display, where our focus isn't just on what our vehicles can do, but on what they can do for you. We call our philosophy the human side of engineering, and that philosophy can be seen in the most luxurious Lincoln SUV yet, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator. To understand what we mean when we say the human side of engineering, all you have to do is get behind the wheel of the all-new 2018 Navigator and experience a drive that can be as effortless or engaging as you would like it to be. Lincoln Drive modes help you isolate your Navigator from the road's imperfections through responsive performance. And of course, depending on your mood and driving conditions, you can select any of 6 drive modes, including normal, conserve, excite, slippery conditions, deep conditions, and slow crawl. The powertrain for the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator delivers an impressive 450 horsepower and features a 10-speed select-shift automatic transmission, which allows you to choose the convenience of push-button controls or the exhilaration of shifting yourself with paddle activation. The head-up display on the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator allows you to access all the information you need without taking your eyes off the road. The human side of engineering also delivers a rich, personalized experience like the Lincoln Embrace. The Navigator recognizes your presence and warmly greets you with a series of illuminating gestures, including the luminous welcome mat that appears beneath the doors on each side of the vehicle. Once you step inside, the ambient lighting puts on a show of its own as you settle into your seat. For even greater levels of personalization and luxury, you can select one of our Lincoln Black Label Edition Navigators. Lincoln Black Label is a tailored experience that unifies inspired design and extraordinary service. It includes a host of personalized interior themes and exclusive membership privileges. The available Black Label themes on the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator include Chalet, as well as 2 new themes, Destination and, of course, the nautically inspired yacht club that you see here. Our Lincoln family also understands the needs of your family, whether you're having a night out on the town or on a cross-country tour. An unparalleled drive means that every Navigator seat is the best seat in the house. Rear seat passengers enjoy the same Lincoln comfort and amenities as those in the front, plus second and third row legroom that is the best in its class. And for families who need a child safety seat, there is no need to remove it to access the third row. Second row tilt and slide functionality allow easy access. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator. It is the latest example of Lincoln's commitment to create a bold and graceful driving experience unlike any other. Now, this is also delivered in our all-new flagship Lincoln Continental, which is over here to my right, which offers a first-class travel experience beginning at
I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too.